Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can do a screenshot on your Poco M5s. You have three options to make a screenshot on this phone, and the first one is to press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time. And you see here it made a screenshot. The second option is to go to your drop down menu and then click on screenshot. Then it will go to the page you're at and make a screenshot. The third option you have is to put three fingers on and slide them down quickly. Then you have another screenshot. If you make a screenshot and then click on it, screenshot, welcome to screenshot editor, you can use this app to crop and edit your screenshots. Yes, we want that. That's what I wanted to show you. So if you click on your screenshot, you can crop it, you can write on it, whatever you like. And then if you did whatever you wanted to do, you click on OK, and then it's saved. When you go to your gallery, you have your screenshot here that you just edited. You have all the other screenshots you took, and then if you click on one and want to edit it after, and then you can do the same things. Crop it, write on it, whatever you want to do. Save it, and then you will find it in your gallery again. So that are the three ways you can make a screenshot on your Poco M5s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.